Wood floors are a popular feature in any home. They bring a natural beauty and are durable enough to last for many years. When it comes to maintaining them, most of us just sweep and occasionally mop our wood floors, and they tend to look pretty clean and shiny for a short while with minimal effort. But did you know that over time, ground-in dirt and debris accumulate in the grain of the wood that reduce the shine and can cause damage, shortening the life of your wood floors? Allergens from pets, pollens, and even bacteria also build up that regular do-it-yourself cleaning methods won't fully remove. A deep cleaning is needed to eliminate these elements that are harmful to your health and your investment. Luckily, there's a solution from a name you know and trust. You know Chem-Dry as the healthy home authority, offering superior cleaning services for not just carpets and upholstery, but your entire home. Now, with our wood floor cleaning service, you can renew the health and beauty of your wood floors and fall in love with them all over again. The Chem-Dry wood floor cleaning process is specifically designed to deliver a deep cleaning of solid hardwood and engineered wood floors, as well as LVT, or luxury vinyl tile flooring, to safely and efficiently remove dirt, debris, allergens, and bacteria that seep into the wood grain. Using our industry-leading equipment and safe, green-certified cleaner, we remove ground-in dirt, debris, and other contaminants, leaving your floors sparkling clean and streak-free. A sanitizer can also be added to remove bacteria, making your home safer and healthier for your family. The final step is applying our wood floor polish, which accentuates the wood grain and the natural beauty of the floors for several months, much longer than typical store-bought polishes. Our polish also adds a protective layer to help keep your floors looking great until the next cleaning is needed. With Chem-Dry, you can refresh and renew the natural beauty and life of your wood floors and have a cleaner, healthier, happier home. Chem-Dry. We clean for your health like no one else.